In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create events and receive appointment on Calendly. 5 minutes. First, open your browser and go to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Enter your email address, select Continue, then type your password, and continue to sign in. That will take you to your Calendly home dashboard where all your event types live. From here, click Create to start a new event. For this walkthrough, choose Group as your event type. A group event lets multiple people reserve the same time slot, which is perfect for webinars, classes, or info sessions. Give your event a clear descriptive name so invitees know exactly what they're booking. You can add a short description to set expectations, like what you'll cover or what attendees should prepare. Next, set the duration. Pick a length that fits the content you plan to cover. And remember, shorter sessions can increase attendance. Choose your location. You can select an online meeting service, a phone call, or an in-person location. If you use a video platform, make sure it's connected in your Calendly integrations so links are generated automatically. Now set your availability. This defines when the event can be booked. Specify the days and times you're open for this event, and build in buffers if you need prep or wrap-up time between sessions. Double-check your time zone settings so invitees see the correct options. Because this is a group event, set your invitee limit. This caps the number of attendees per time slot, which helps you manage the session size and ensures a better experience for everyone. Then assign the host for the event. This is the organizer whose calendar availability is respected and who will receive the bookings. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Calendly will create your event and generate a unique link. This is the link you'll share with your audience. You can send it by email, add it to your website, or post it anywhere your invitees can see it. Consider adding a short message that explains what the event is and how to pick a time. Invitees can use that link to book appointments instantly. Calendly will handle the scheduling, prevent double booking based on the host's calendar, and send confirmations. You'll see new appointments appear on your dashboard and, if connected, on your calendar app. And that's it. Your group event is live, your availability is set, and you're ready to receive appointments through your unique Calendly link.